back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today we're going to see the thing called File Explorer using Tkinter. Before going to this coding, we go for the basics. Go for ratio. So create File Explorer in Python using Tkinter. So as of now, what is File Explorer is nothing but application that allow users to manage files and folders on a device. It is so simple and one. So steps, if you want to execute the project, you can follow the steps like import the Tkinter model by default, then creation of the main window and addition of widgets to the main window and applying the event trigger on widgets like buttons and so on, and creating the file explorer. So how to create file explorer here? Here we have to import file dialog model from Tkinter, and also it helpful to open, save and everything here. And to open a file explorer, we have to follow the method called askopenfile method. So this is the video definitely helpful for who are learning the Python and beginners, because here I am going to just show file explorer like this one. As you see, like this file explorer, we can just open the file and we can't view completely the contents. Just you can see view the file only. It will say file is there or not. File is a, it will say open like that, otherwise not, because we can do n number of operations when you go for deeply about this kind of projects. That means open the file, create a file, copy the file from one folder to another, and with the help of D drive or C drive, anything. Let's go for the things here. So if you want to execute the project, you can now the here now about the syntax called tk file dialog dot ask open file name of initial director. Then you can give title as select file, then file type is equal to file type. The dot extends, it may be a text file, it may be a image, or it may be a anything, PPT or anything. Then all files, comma, asterisk symbol and so on. So if you want to go for the syntax, you should now put some parameters additionally. That is called initial director. That this is called, we have to specify the path of the folder that is to be opened when the file explorer pops up. And title is the title of the file explorer. At last, file types, you can specify the different type of the file extensions so that the user can filter based on the different file types. For example, in the D colon, I want to open called image parsing. The image parsing, I can open the file called PPT or dc.ppt, anything like. So let's go for the switch. Let's go or move to the system, the another mode PyCharm, where you can show the coding and output here. So this is the coding. So simple coding can make it just 52 line. So here first step is we can write a code like import from tkinter import. Then you can write from tkinter import to file dialog. As I told you the syntax everything. Then you can do the coding with the help of the function called the browser files. That's definition phase. So dfs browse files. Then we give file name is called file dialog dot ask open file name. As I told you in the syntax, we are just typing here, and you can give the continue the coding, where you can give label underscore file explorer dot configure text file opened or not file name. So if you choose the right file, the file will open and say yes available, otherwise not. Then you can create the root window, where you can give Windows code TKA. Then we can give set window file explorer title, just keep that file explorer, and I could measure the size. Give the size as geometry of 500 multiplies 500. Then I give window.conf background, I'm giving as a white color. If you want to can change anything. The label file explorer, I'm giving label window text equal to text, I'm writing file explorer using tkinter. Just it displaying the label. Okay. Then I'm writing the code with a height, weight, background, foreground color. Then I'm writing the button called but window, comma, text called browse files. Then command is called browse files. When you give this button, when you activate this one, what will happen? We can choose the user. We are the user can select the browse but brown files. Browse will open the environment where you can select from the T colon or desktop or anywhere. That time we need the support of this one. Then we're writing exit. So when I click exit, automatically exit the screen here. So grid method, we can choose some for placing the widgets at respective positions, as I'll discuss in the many projects. So you can give grid column size 1 and row is equal to 1, and button underscore explore dot grid column is equal to 1 underscore 2. Then I can continue like this, and at last we can write window.menu. So this is a simple project for creating a file explorer. So I can use the function called uh, browsing. Sorry. So browse files is the important function, and we are following the syntax. At last, when I execute the source code, whether used for PyCharm or anyone, Python or D or Anaconda, anything, it display like this. So this is the environment you can show here. So when you browse files, you can repeat the simple project where you can showing the one. Just I go to the desktop. I want just open the file called like this record. So I can when I give the open command, it will say file is there like so. File level is saying the path that is desktop slash record.txt. I'm checking one more file. Can go otherwise can go D colon where I just know image browsing where I want to check the PPT. Sorry. So any text file is there, I open like this. So I can go again desktop. I can go select the like this. Saying yeah, all the text files supported here. When you press exit, you exit the. So this is about creating the file explorer using the Python. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with the friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.